Hey everyone, I'm so excited for what came in the mail today. New lens. So I've been waiting for this since August. I placed the order with B&H Photo and been waiting since then, and it finally arrived yesterday. And actually, when I say I placed the order from B&H Photo, I actually didn't get it from them. I had it on pre-order since August, waiting for the lens to come in. It just never showed up. I got tired of waiting. I looked through Sigma's website and found some other authorized dealers, and I started kind of stalking them to see when they might have it. Sigma on their website actually has a authorized dealer link that has current in-stock levels. So if you're looking for this lens and you don't want to wait for pre-orders to come in, you should check that site periodically and look for some smaller camera companies. That's what I did. It seems like Sigma's not necessarily shipping huge quantities of lenses to big places like B&H Photo and Adorama. It seems like they're shipping smaller quantities to everyone. And that's how I got this. I ordered it through a company called District Camera. Ordered it last Thursday, got it on Monday. And I figured I'd do a quick unboxing for you, show you some size comparisons between my A7 III, the Sigma 50mm lens, and just how big this lens actually is. So let's take a look. All right, so let's open this up and see what's in the box. So we have our warranty card and information. There's a small side box. Some kind of rubber ring. And then some straps and an Allen wrench with some bolts. And here is the pouch that it comes with. So assuming that these clips are for that. And this almost looks like a camera strap. Put that back in there. Anyways, this is what everyone wants to see, right? So, nice padded case. Comes in a bag. And there she is. So, we've got the lens hood. Which go on like this. So you can see just the overall size. You compare it to the 50mm. I guess black lenses with a black shirt and a black background may not have been the best. Anyways, let's keep moving ahead. So a massive front lens cap. So this is a 105mm filter lens compared to a standard 77mm lens. Pretty big difference, but here's what you're paying for. All of that big old huge glass. Just a beautiful lens. Seems very well made, very heavy. And one thing that I really like is this. So it has the archetype quick release plate built into the collar, and I use that on my tripod. So I actually have that mounting plate here on my camera. So very cool feature built in. You don't have to worry about attaching a base plate to that. You can, if you use that type of tripod mount, which I do. Very nice. This, I'm assuming, is how you take this off. It's removable. So that comes off, and I'm assuming that's what this ring's for. Cool. Yeah, so it has a nice rubber ring. It's kind of like one of those Livestrong bands. It's similar to that in the material that covers that tripod mount. The little screws that go on there. There we go. And then we'll just tighten down that screw there, and then it will be back in. But let's put this on the camera and see what it looks like. Actually, before I do that, let's I have a 7200 G Master over here just for a weight comparison. They weigh almost the same amount. You can see kind of the difference size-wise. It's a little bit shorter, but it's much girthier, and the weight is relatively about the same. But let's put this on the camera, see what it looks like, see how ridiculous it is. I mean, not bad. If you're used to shooting with the 70-200, I think you'll find this is pretty comparable. It puts some of the weight further back, where this one's more kind of front heavy. It's a little bit shorter, but there is some heft to it. So anyways, just want to do a quick unboxing video of this lens. I was pretty excited to get it and wanted to share that with you. I'm going to be shooting a lot with this in the next few weeks, so be sure to check back. I'll do some comprehensive reviews on my thoughts, if I like the overall lens, see what it looks like, see what that bokeh looks like, see how it works for not only portrait shoots but also automotive. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you don't already and you like the content that you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time, take care.